Make your life magical with Haier New Magic Convertible series. Presenting the all-new Haier Big Bottom Mount Refrigerator, India's first BMR. Bottom-mounted refrigerator reduces bending of the back by 90%. Ab Jhukna Mat. More freshness in the freezer and refrigerator zone comes with dual fan technology, and triple inverter technology offers higher energy saving. 14-in-1 convertible modes. Precise temperature settings as per food requirements. Keep heavy utensils on the shelves without worry. Buy more vegetables and store them at a single place. Store up to 4 bottles of 2 liters capacity. With 1-hour ice technology, surprise your last-minute guests. The glass door is toughened, scratch-free, and the stylish handle cannot be missed. Smart display is accurate to each temperature. For peace of mind, enjoy assured 10 years warranty on the inverter compressor and dual fan motor. Build a magical life with Haier New Big Bottom Mount Refrigerator and Jhukna Mat.